This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a Thai fan staple, minced pork with potatoes. This recipe is great as leftovers, so cook more of it and keep it in the fridge. It will make your next meal a lot easier. For this dish, you will need minced pork, potatoes, garlic, corn flour. We will mix this with some water to create a cornstarch slurry to thicken the gravy. By the way, corn flour and cornstarch are the same thing. Cut the potatoes into 1/4 to 1/2 cm slices. I'm not peeling the potatoes, but you can do so if you like. It can be dangerous to cut ingredients that can roll around on the chopping board. To make the potato safer to cut a little off the bottom of the potato. This will create a stable base for you to cut the potato in a safer manner. Next, marinate the minced pork with light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, oyster sauce, garlic, sugar, chicken powder, white pepper. Give all this a good mix. And set it aside. To cook, put your pan over a medium-high heat. When the pan is hot, add in the oil. When the oil is hot, add in the potatoes. Fry the potatoes till they are slightly golden brown. Frying the potatoes this way will give it some color, texture, and better flavor. It will also hold up better during the cooking process. When brown, remove and drain by putting the potatoes on a paper towel. Leave 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan. Heat up the pan over medium heat. When the oil is hot, add in your minced pork. Break up the minced pork as you are frying it. Fry all the minced pork till it's almost cooked. This will take about 3 to 4 minutes. Then, add in the potatoes. And water. Bring all this to a boil. Then, lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let it simmer till the potatoes are tender. This should take about 5 to 7 minutes. To test if the potatoes are tender, stick a fork into it. If it goes through easily, it is cooked. Then, taste and adjust your seasoning. If this is the way you like it to be, thicken the gravy with some cornstarch slurry. Remember to stir the cornstarch slurry, as most of the corn flour will have settled to the bottom of the bowl by now. Pour only half of the slurry into the pan and mix it well. The liquid should thicken up within a couple of seconds. If it's not thick enough, add more cornstarch slurry. And we are done. This is minced pork with potatoes.